When you establish a new channel, you don't have any subscribers and you hardly get visits. But if you follow these 5 tips that I tell you in this video, I promise you that you can get the first 100 subscribers with a few videos. I tried the methods that I am going to tell you on the same channel that you are watching the video on, and it works. If you have a small channel and want to grow faster, stay with me. The first point, the most important points that you should observe in the first place is to try to bring impressions to your channel. When impressions are brought to your channel, you can convert them into views and even subscribers. Now the main point here is how to attract impressions. When you establish a new channel, YouTube is less inclined to recommend your videos to the audience because YouTube is still not sure if your video is useful for users or not, and even YouTube doesn't know exactly what your channel is about. So when you launch a new YouTube channel, think more about attracting impressions through search, because by doing this you will introduce the target audience of your channel to YouTube, and you will also come up in the searches and get views. I want to introduce you a very good strategy to get a high ranking in the tags you use. Your strategy for tags should be in such a way that you enter your main tags first and then go to tags with the lower and higher search rates. For example, your channel is about Minecraft. You first enter tags such as Minecraft, Minecraft Survival, Minecraft 100 Days, and then enter long tags and tags that are less searched and more related to your videos, such as the tag Minecraft House Tutorial, Easy Small Modder. And to find such tags, use the YouTube search section. You can also use vidIQ, and as a YouTube tool, it has more detailed information than other tools. The second point, use the keywords that your videos are related to everywhere. For example, if your video is about Minecraft, you must use the tag in your title. As you can see, these videos that received a lot of views have all followed these points. You should also use the Minecraft tag in your sentences in the description and tag section, and add hashtag Minecraft at the end of your description. Now you'll be wondering if the channel will really grow with such small works. The answer is yes. With these small actions, you tell YouTube that your video is related to Minecraft, and the YouTube system suggests your video to contents who have followed Minecraft. The third point, use your title in the description and tag. This is exactly what I do myself. If you see in that same video, the first line of the description, the title of the video is placed and the video title is placed inside the tags. This is one of the things that makes YouTube correctly identify your target audience and you get better views. In this video, I mentioned several times that your target audience should be recognized by YouTube, and I want to tell you about the importance of this issue. For example, if your video is about Minecraft and your video is suggested to someone who is interested in football and he is not interested in Minecraft, he will definitely not click on your video. And in this case, when this happens more often, the YouTube system will not longer recommend this video to others, and the impression performance of your video will become weaker and weaker every moment. The fourth point, use the use formulas. What does it mean? That is, analyze your competitors and make the videos that they made that were good for your audience, and definitely in this case you will also receive a good visit. The reason is easy, because the audiences of your competitors and your channel are the same, and if the audience likes that video, they will definitely like your video as well. And the fifth and last point, use prominent people. For example, if you want to make a video about growth on YouTube, you can use MrBeast and other successful and prominent people on YouTube to draw attention to yourself. This is exactly what I did in my previous videos, and in the last video I told the reasons for the successful of 10x Income channel and use its image in the thumbnail. If you use this technique correctly, you can draw attention to yourself. And if I want to point to one of the most successful videos that use this technique, I can point to a video that MrBeast repeated 100,000 times, because at that time PewDiePie was very popular and famous among people, but MrBeast was not so popular and used a famous face like PewDiePie for his own fame. And some other points that you must know. I know these first points have been repeated, but they must be followed. Take thumbnail and title seriously. The points that I told you in this video are very important, but if you don't have a proper thumbnail and title, you definitely won't get that results. Because the first counter of a user with your video is a title and thumbnail, and it should be in such a way that the audience is attracted. Be sure to fill out the About page and make sure to use your channel's keywords in the About page to improve your channel's SEO. And make sure to make your intro video interesting. For this, you can use the successful channels of your competitors and get ideas from them, and avoid using logo motion or long and boring motions in your intro videos. And finally, remember that if you use all these points together, you will get the answer, and if you don't follow one of these points, you will definitely not get the desired results. And as always, remember this: YouTube is not a sprint race, and YouTube is a marathon race. You must be patient for the growth of your channel and have quality video and a strong SEO to see the growth of your channel. And if you haven't started your channel yet, we want to give you some good news. If you haven't started your own channel, in this video I introduce your niches that pay you more than $100 for every 1,000 views. Be sure to watch this video before creating your channel.